Hey everybody, welcome back to FM Jeeping. My name is Mark, and today we're going to be removing the rear axle bearings out of a Sterling. Take two. Hey everybody, welcome back to FM Jeeping. My name is Mark, and today we are going to be removing wheel bearings out of a Sterling 10.5 using this. So as part of the 1-ton build that I'm doing, I opted to go with the Sterling 10.5. Reason being, I bought the Dana 60 and the Sterling as a package deal. I got a really good deal on it. The Sterling is a pretty decent axle from what I hear. I mean, I know 14 bolts are really the thing right now. But like I said, I got it as a package deal. Couldn't really pass it up. I think I spent about $500 for both axles. So another reason I went with the Sterling 10.5 is just the sheer size of this thing. This is the Dana 60 pinion. This is the Sterling. That is a big pinion. So now that I've got my differential out, my pinion out, and my axle shafts, I want to go ahead, remove the rear bearing, so I can get my brackets off, so I can start prepping the axle for paint and just cleaning it up, make it look pretty. I want to take off the caliper bracket, clean this up, paint it. I want the axle to be black, and I want all my accents to be like a hunter green, very similar to this. So I'm going to have all my accents this color here. So I'm going to do the diff cover, the knuckles and the calipers. Calipers might be black. I believe the knuckles are going to be green, and I want to try to keep the same thing here. I want the axle to be black, caliper brackets and calipers to be green. We'll see how well that goes. So I've never really worked on anything this big before. Even when I was in the trade, most of my stuff was quarter ton, things like that. So I've never really done full 1-ton axles. I did not know you needed a special bearing, special bearing socket for these axles. Now, this one is made for a Ford. There are a handful of these for different applications. I saw some for Toyotas, some Chevys, and things like that. So this is the one that goes to the Sterling 10.5. I got it from Advanced Auto with the online coupon. I think I paid $17 for it. Hey, it's worth it, I guess, right? This is what, the 2-2 3/4 socket. Reason you need this is if you look here, the notches are cut out. There's no way to remove this bearing. It is spring loaded. So what we're going to do is use these prongs here to release this tension on the spring and hopefully loosen the nut. So let's give it a try. And just like that. No! Ta-da! Just in case you didn't see that, we're going to do it again. All right. So something you got to keep in mind, I believe it was the driver's side, is reverse thread. So you got to go in reverse. Oh. This one is righty loosey, lefty tighty. There we go. There we go. And like that, I spent $17 for 30 seconds worth of work. I'm in the wrong business. All right. So just to kind of recap, what I did was for my Sterling 10.5, it's a 2006, I used this PT or performance tool W83008 socket on my Sterling 10.5. Once again, it's a 2006. I got this from Advance Auto. I paid about $17, 17 and change with tax. I believe it's listed for about $21, $22 at the time of this video. But what's nice about Advanced Auto is if you go onto their website, a pop-up comes right up and they offer you 25%, up to 25% off an online order. I think I saved like roughly around $4 or $5 on it by just entering in my email. So it worked. Picked it up. 30 seconds later, I had my bearings off. All right, guys, that's it. 30 seconds later, and the bearings are off. So I hope this helped anybody who might be questioning how to get the bearings off a Sterling 10.5. It's a relatively short video. I hope you enjoyed it or found it useful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you like the content and you want to see more, please consider subscribing. Any questions or comments, concerns, criticisms, go ahead and leave those down below in the comment section where they belong. And until then, we'll see you on the next one. Hey, before you go, I've partnered up with a company called Offroad Outfitters. They carry a lot of XJ, TJ, CJ, JK, all types of Jeep shirts. And it's not just Jeep specific, it's also Jeep Life shirts. This is their XJ Life shirt. I've paired up with them and they've been nice enough to give my viewers 15% discount on their entire order. If you use the code FMJeeping15, and I'll put that down below here, you can save 15% off your entire order. So head over to Offroad Outfitters, give them a look, see if there's anything there you like, use the code, and you can save 15% off your entire order. Thank you for watching. Till the next one, we'll see you later.